All right, what's going on, folks? We changed up a little bit. We're in the shop here today. So I wanted to get on here real quick. We have a 2024 Road Glide on the table, okay? Things are a little different when it comes to that front wheel. So for those of you that are packing your travel boats and all that, you know, your kit, you may want to upgrade your tools when it comes to the 2024. Like I said, just slightly different. So we're gonna swivel to this. All right, now we're on the other side of the bike. So what you're gonna need is a hex head. It's a 3/4 hex drive. Here it is right here. You would need this versus a socket that you would traditionally use. So you have your pinch bolt. Don't forget to loosen your calipers as well. So boom, one on each side. Get those out the way. Use your 3/4 hex head, and get your wheel off. Everything else is the same. All right, y'all be safe out there. Peace. All right, here we go. We got the axle out, you guys seen. Axle's right here. So it's a little different than normal. All right, I don't want to call it normal, but the other bikes per se. All right, so I want to make sure, like I said, remove your calipers here on both sides and get those into a, I use a Crown Royal bag, so I'm gonna get those into a bag here in just a second as soon as I get done with this. Pull the axle out, your spacers. Be mindful of how your spacers come out. All right, so the lines on the spacers go to the outside. You can see those. Spacer go in here just like this. Lines to the outside. All right, and then on the other side you got your ABS spacer, and it fell out because when I pulled the wheel. But you have your ABS spacer here, along with your caliper. So I usually bolt the calipers back up, stick one bolt in them so they're in their normal resting position, and you don't do anything to the brake lines. And at this point, you can pull your tire out, service your tire if you call it a flat, or if you just want to change the wheels or whatever the case may be. But that is how you remove a tire from a 24 and up. All right, hey, I'll catch y'all next time, and as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.